So Botathons are great for a number of different reasons. Firstly, it promotes a spirit of innovation and excitement within the organisation. Secondly, it provides an opportunity to collaborate with colleagues. Thirdly, it's an opportunity to upskill yourself and learn from the experts that we've got and we provide. And finally, you spent 2 days building a bot that you put into production.
So for me, Ricoh Europe is fantastic because we are all across Europe. There are a lot of different opcos, a lot of business areas, and we all collaborate virtually, which is fantastic. But when we work together face to face, this just comes together. I wanted everyone in the same room, different experiences, different cultures, different areas within the business, and actually getting that together meant that we could have 4 different bots that were completely different, and it worked.
It's a great chance for people who are working all across Europe to get together for the first time in a lot of cases and share their experience and pass on hints to other people who are working on other bots and get to know each other and get a chance to talk to each other if they have issues in future with developing RPA to talk about on Skype or on WebEx or other means of communication, and to act as a community and to help drive more productivity and get more of the bots through and developed into production.
We want to build a community where not only can they learn from each other, but of course build fantastic bots. For me, getting them all into one room and being able to do this has been exactly what I was after. So we set up the context and background on the first day, and as part of this we told them the 2 processes. Now for probably half of the group they'd never actually used this application, and for a lot of the group they hadn't actually used much RPA, and so I can imagine it could have been quite daunting for them. However, within hours they were heads down, collaborating, really getting as much as they could out of it, and we can definitely tell with the bots that they provided at the end of the day. So the judging process was incredibly difficult. We had 4 really good bots that were built in a day and a half. But for me, what I was really looking for was for people to have learnt, for people to be working as a team and to have something that we could put straight into production. The cherry on top was definitely creativity, which we definitely got with the winning team.
Ricoh.